I'm Lisa Graviel. I'm a dairy farmer here in Peach Bottom, Pennsylvania. We are milking right now a little more than 700 cows, all Holstein, which are the black and white cows.
My name's Claire Kaufman, and this is Kaufman's Fruit Farm in Bird in Hand, Pennsylvania, Lancaster County. My great-grandpa Amos planted the first trees in 1911, and interestingly at that time the neighbors thought that his choice to plant fruit trees was a perfect waste of Lancaster County soil. This is a 100-acre farm here, and we're celebrating our 100th anniversary.
My name's Casey Spate. I'm the Executive Director of Lancaster Farm Fresh Cooperative. We're a nonprofit organic farmers co-op in Lancaster County. We are in Leola, Pennsylvania. We have 109 member farms in the cooperative. So instead of like one farm producing 100 cases of tomatoes, we'll have maybe 10 farms produce 10 cases and sell that 100 as one.
My name's Cody Musser. We're here at our family business, M&R Grain, Mount Joy, Pennsylvania. We buy and sell local grain from farmers to feed mills and different farmer dairies in the neighborhood.
My name is Rebecca Charles, and I am a dairy veterinarian in Lancaster County. Veterinary medicine just really combines a lot of my loves. I love being outside, seeing the seasons change, going farm to farm, working with farmers. They're very practical, down-to-earth people.
My name is Mark Souter. I am the current president and CEO of Souter Eggs. I am the fourth generation. We sell about 1.5 billion eggs per year. Lancaster County exemplifies agriculture and hard work and quality. When I go out to market the product from the farmers that work with us, to say that we produce a lot of our product right here in Lancaster County is a tremendous marketing value.
There's about 80 goats that we're milking now.
A good number of our goats will do a gallon a day. A few will do a little bit more. We have 3 different types of hard cheese.
Country Meadows Farms is basically 6 farms. We carry grass-fed beef, pastured chicken, and we'll not raise hogs. We schedule all the butchering that goes through Smokers Meats in Mount Joy, and then they will deliver to market on market days.
In Lancaster County is interesting because you have such a density of livestock agriculture. You get the meat products, you get the protein sources like poultry, you get the eggs, dairy products, all of that is found in Lancaster County. But it's also within a short day's drive of 100 million people who eat 3 times a day.
I have a restaurant here in the center of the city, and I'm able to take advantage of everything that is produced, grown, sourced, harvested in Lancaster County, and I get first dibs before that leaves and heads to menus that promote the fact that it's Lancaster or Amish in Philadelphia, in DC, Baltimore, New York City. We're the source.